I had a chance to stop by and walk around the historic downtown area of Carrollton, Texas, when I came over into the Dallas area to go to Audio Dallas Recording Studio to record some songs. Carrollton is a pretty big city with a population above 130,000 people. It's located in the DFW Metroplex, about 20 miles northwest of Dallas and 35 miles northeast of Fort Worth. It's pretty well connected to the rest of the DFW area through a series of freeways, and they also have a DART rail stop right there too. And that big connection with the freeways contributed to the growth of the city that happened during the 70s and 80s, transforming it from a rural area to a big city. It also contributed to the slogan of the city, which is where connections happen. Although when they talk about connections there, they also mean things like family and friends and business. The history of the city goes back to the mid-1800s, and it was incorporated in the early 1900s, beginning initially as a small farming community, and so they had grain silos and flour mills, and then a whole series of railroad lines came through, and it became a pretty big shipping center for things like livestock and agriculture. Then it became a grain and gravel town for the dairy industry, and one of the notable landmarks there is the grain silo that pops up above that historic downtown area. That goes back to the 1950s. So the city is now obviously a thriving Dallas suburb. There's a lot of things around here for like parks and rec, like they got the Nob Hill Greenbelt, and you can find hiking and biking and boating and fishing and trails. They got a Koreatown around here too that they call K-Town, and it's kind of a strip mall of Korean restaurants and food. But the footage that I've been showing here is walking around that historic downtown area where you can find the brick and mortar shops and boutiques and restaurants and antiques and more. One thing I do got to point out that you can find walking around this area is the Pink House, which is the oldest building around this area, a historic 100-year-old gingerbread style house where they're selling jewelry and luggage and gift items. And I did find one of the most popular food restaurants around the DFW area, Babe's Chicken. They're noted for their fried chicken as well as the atmosphere inside, where they serve up their main courses with an impressive offering of unlimited sides. In terms of entertainment, they do have Market on the Square here on Saturdays for 6 months out of the year, where you can find local crafts and arts and food. Then they got that gazebo there in the center that goes back to 1921, where they're hosting events and entertainment there. They do have a Plaza Arts Center or Plaza Theater in a historic building from 1949 where they host events. And they got Pocket Sandwich Theater right there too on the square that has many events including live music. There are a number of restaurants and breweries here that host live music at one point or another, or they have other locations around cities around here that have live music. This includes Twisted Root Burger Company. Then there's Barrel and Bones Craft Beer and Smokehouse. And Three Nations Brewing is also a possibility for live music. So that's a walk around that historic downtown area of Carrollton after I had a day recording some songs at Audio Dallas Recording Studio over in Garland.
What the future holds, I don't know, but I'm taking you with me wherever I go. What the future holds, this much is true. You're looking at me and I'm looking back at you. Back at you.
Thanks for checking out this video. I'm posting all about touring around Texas and the music scene around Texas. You could click on my YouTube channel and check out those thumbnails and see which of those topics are interesting to you. Give those videos a view, and thank you for giving this video a view.